All right, so let's analyze the 1 versus 2 mass collision between the marbles. So once again, right before collision. So here we are, this is the point of collision. So right before that, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And take a print screen. Put that over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Print screen. Gonna make this larger like this. And then after collision, starting from here, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. And then the ruler. It's the print screen. Okay. Then place the 0 mark, align it with this line here. And the same over here. And the same over here. And the same over here. Okay. And now we can draw some lines. Take a thinner line. Let's see. This is around 1.4. 5 frames later, it is around, you can see, seems to be around 2.05. So that is delta distance is 0.65, correct? So 2.05 minus 1.4-ish is delta V1. Yeah, delta distance for V1 is 0.60, around 0.65. And then after collision, 2.15, around 2.15. And then 1.95. What is that, 0.20? Around 2.15, right? Yeah. So delta V1 prime is 2.15 minus 0.95. Just around 0.20. That's correct, right? So we have 2.05 minus 1.95. 0.15. Yeah, that's 0.20. Equals 0.20. And then for the 2 mass, 2.25. And over here we have around 2.65, which is 0.40. 2.65 minus 2.25 delta D for velocity 2 equals 0.40. Okay. So we have around 0.65 as the incoming velocity. So the prediction is that after collision, one mass reflects with 1/3 of the velocity, and two mass continues with 2/3 of the velocity. So we have around 0.65 0.65. Let's see. Divided by 3 is 0.21. And the expectation is 0.20. So if we do 0.65, this is the incoming velocity divided by 1/3 or divided by 3, that equals 0.21. And so, and the expectation is 0.20. I mean, the expectation is 0.21 and the result is 0.20, so very close. And then 2/3. So 0.65 times 2 divided by 3. That equals 0.43. So the expectation is 0.43 and the result is 0.40. So again, pretty close. So the physical experiment shows us that the two mass lifts off with the result pretty close to 2/3 the initial velocity. And the one mass reflects back with a result pretty close to 1/3 of the initial velocity. What does draft science predict? Well, draft science predict that the two mass should come out with half the velocity at best. And when the one mass reflects back, then the two mass should come out with less than half the velocity. So the expectation is, let's use another color, the prediction, draft science prediction equals 0.65 divided by 2, and that is, 32.32-ish, yeah, but even less than that. So yeah, I think this shows that conventional science is right about a collision between a one mass and a two mass. So yeah, there we go. I mean, the end.